The 2023 iteration of Kia's EV6 GT is a high-performance crossover SUV that occupies the top tier of the EV6 lineup. It boasts a potent dual-motor all-wheel drive system that churns out 576 horsepower and 546 pound-feet of torque, enabling it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.5 seconds. The impressive performance is complemented by a decent range of up to 206 miles on a single charge, demonstrating its capacity for both power and endurance. The vehicle's exterior design exhibits a unique style, setting it apart from the rest of the EV6 models. A more aggressive front fascia, a rear spoiler, and 21-inch wheels mark the GT version. These eye-catching aesthetic upgrades contribute to an overall sportier and more dynamic look, underlining the GT's performance pedigree. From a financial perspective, the EV6 GT presents a relatively affordable option in the high-performance electric SUV market, with a starting price of $55,900. This price point, coupled with its superior capabilities and high-end features, makes it an enticing choice for those who value performance and style, without wanting to compromise on the benefits of electric propulsion. Its dual-motor all-wheel drive system, substantial horsepower and torque, impressive acceleration, and admirable range are key characteristics that make the EV6 GT stand out. Furthermore, its distinctive styling cues and standard features like the panoramic sunroof, head-up display, and Bose sound system further enhance its allure. In terms of color options, the EV6 GT is available in two hues, cyber gray and snow white pearl. These color choices help to enhance the vehicle's modern and futuristic aesthetic, offering potential buyers the opportunity to personalize their ride to some degree. The EV6 GT's interior is equally appealing, incorporating several premium features as standard. A panoramic sunroof, a head-up display, and a high-quality Bose sound system all come as part of the package, ensuring a luxurious ride for both driver and passengers. These attributes come in addition to the already high standard of equipment found in the regular EV6 models. The EV6 GT showcases a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features as standard. These include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work synergistically to ensure a safer driving experience, providing peace of mind to both the driver and the passengers. From a charging perspective, the EV6 GT is highly adaptable, accommodating a standard 110-volt outlet, a 220-volt outlet, or a DC fast charger. The latter option can charge the vehicle to 80% in just about 18 minutes, offering convenience for drivers who are on the go. The EV6 GT's powerhouse is a 77.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which offers a combined fuel economy rating of 102 mpge. Furthermore, the vehicle has a towing capacity of up to 2,000 pounds, showing that it is not just a performer, but also a practical vehicle for those needing to haul gear or tow trailers. The vehicle also boasts a spacious cargo capacity. With 27.7 cubic feet available behind the rear seats and 64.2 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down, it is clear that the EV6 GT is not just about performance and style, but also practicality. The EV6 GT comes with a comprehensive 10-year warranty on the battery and electric components. This level of warranty coverage is an indication of Kia's confidence in the reliability and durability of their electric SUV, further establishing the Kia EV6 GT as an exceptional choice in the electric vehicle market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.